Hi guys, hope you're all doing well and staying safe. This video is going to be a short one. I have something to unbox from Chanel. If you're interested in seeing what that is, keep on watching. It's Jan from Jandle in the City, where I unbox luxury goods, pre-loved items, and on occasion, some beauty products. If you're new to my channel, or if you're returning, welcome. If you haven't yet hit that subscribe button below, please do so you can join my YouTube family and see all of my new videos. So let's get started on the unboxing today. So it came in this small box. I've gone ahead and I have opened it to save some time. There it is there. Let me put the box over here. And in the box came the receipt from Chanel as well as a little note. I always gift myself a little note. And on this one it says, "You are worth it, remember that." And I keep these with all of my purchases. So here's what I picked up. Came in this little Chanel packaging. So let's go ahead and undo it here. So the first thing, and I love with Chanel, is that they give you these little samples to try out before you buy the full product, just in case it doesn't work out for you or you don't like it or if you have a reaction. So it comes in this little drawstring pouch. And the two items that I picked up is, this one is called a micro serum and it is Hydro Beauty. So I can try this one out before I purchase the, what is that on there? Stuffing. The large one. And then the next one I picked out is this one. Coco Mademoiselle perfume sample. And they give you a fair size sample there to try out. This is one of my favorite Chanel perfumes. So tucked away in here, guys, I was watching another YouTuber, Pink Butterfly Girl, and she had some nail polishes that she was unboxing by Chanel, and I really liked the colors that she had on. So I picked up these two. One is Harmony, one is Energy. The first one we'll do here. This one is 755 Harmony. And it is a beautiful dark turquoise color. I know it's showing up green there, but it's showing up darker than what it really is. It is gorgeous. It'll take you into the fall as well as for summer. It's just gorgeous color. And these ones have really nice shine. Nice consistency when you put them on the nail. I usually do one coat and I'm okay. I put a clear polish on the base and then I put this over top and then sometimes a clear polish over that to protect it. But so you get an idea of what it looks like on the nail. Underneath the polish, I do have one base clear coat. And this covers really well. This is one coat of polish on the nail and no base coat over top. So the second one, guys, is 759, and this one is Energy. Let's go ahead and take it out of the packaging. And this is a gorgeous dark, not quite fuchsia, pink. The color is stunning on this one. Great for summertime, and it'll also take you into the early months of fall. Gorgeous color. I'm wearing it on my nails right now. Look at the shine, guys. It's just amazing. And this is with one coat on it. So imagine if you had two, and it's got no base clear coat on it yet. and it is in a darker pink color. It's long wearing. The color is amazing. Look at the gloss and shine. Underneath my nails I do have a base coat, but I have not done them with a clear top coat at all. So you can see how, you know, thick and shiny that they really are.